Hello everyone, this is Preeti Mule, Associate Professor Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. Today, we will be studying the topic Importance of Technology Transfer from the subject Industrial Pharmacy. Firstly, we will see the guidelines of technology transfer. To elucidate necessary information to technology transfer from R&D to actual manufacturing by sorting out various information obtained during R&D, demonstration of necessary information to technology transfer from research and development to actual manufacturing, to elucidate necessary information to transfer technology of existing products between various manufacturing places, to exemplify specific procedures and points of concern for smooth technology transfer. This is applicable to the transfer of technology through R&D and production of drugs, which may be chemically synthesized drug substances and drug products, and the technology transfer related to post-marketing changes in manufacturing places. The ultimate goal for successful transfer of technology is to have documented evidence that the manufacturing process for drug substance and drug products are robust and effective in producing the drug and drug products complying with the registered specifications and good manufacturing practice requirements. The general impact of technology transfer programs are improvement of research pertinence and its promotion in foreign countries, the contribution with the creation and consolidation of research groups and centers for technology development involving the training of young research students, promote the interdisciplinary projects to be developed in the region of interest. It's very essential for us to understand the reasons of technology transfer. So many reasons exist why a company would like to transfer its technology to other parties. Firstly, it may be because of lack of manufacturing capacity. It may be because of lack of resources to launch a product commercially, or lack of marketing, distribution capability, or it may be because of forming alliances with partners, or forming alliances with partners with manufacturing capability, forming alliances with partners with marketing and distribution capability, and exploitation in a different field of application. Let us see the various factors now which are responsible for which influence the technology transfer. So good business and manufacturing practices will definitely impact the technology transfer, as the company's success is primarily the result of its adoption of good business and manufacturing practices, particularly in the areas of product identification and formulation technology. The potential for competitive prices is very important. Along with that, strategic planning, strong economy and environment, and transparency and efficient regulation are very important. Next, opportunities for contingency supply are equally important, and also important is access to new machinery, training, know-how and business partnership. Now let us see the barriers of technology transfer. Lack of efficiency, low market share, cost of pre-qualification, labor issues. Finally, let us see the approaches to overcome the barriers in technology transfer. First, it can be done by commercializing the publicly funded technologies. It can be done by research tool patents and freedom to operate for the public sector. It can also be with the help of web access and scientific publication, national security issues and restrictions on exports of particular technology, inadequate funding in important areas and public possible treaties, cooperative research agreements, and lastly, possible treaty on scientific access. Thank you.